Okay, so this is how to wipe the history of this H9PRO terminal. And when you get the terminal, you just scroll and go to Wi-Fi. When you open the Wi-Fi, just go down to Wi-Fi data usage. Then you click on Wi-Fi data usage. You allow it to load. And then you scroll and open the MONIEPOINT POS. Right after opening it, then you click on MONIEPOINT. Click on this logo, this MONIEPOINT logo. Then it will get you to this page. Then you click on this three dots by the side of the screen. So when you click on it, you will see uninstall updates. Then you click on it. So I don't want to uninstall update in this one, but if you click on the uninstall update, it will clear. To clear the history. Thank you.